Hi, welcome to the Financial Sigma, and I'm here to share my journey to making a full-time income online. When I first started, I had no idea where to begin. I had so many questions. How do I get started? What do I need to do to make money online? Will I be successful? But I was determined to figure it out. So, I started by doing some research and trying out different things. I tried blogging, affiliate marketing, selling products on Etsy, and even doing freelance work. I started my blog by choosing a niche that I was passionate about and setting up a website using a platform like WordPress. Then, I learned about SEO and started writing informative and engaging content that my audience would find useful. I also signed up for affiliate programs and started promoting products that I believed in, earning a commission for every sale that I made. I also tried selling products on Etsy, where I created and marketed handmade items like jewelry, home decor, and art. And when I wanted to try something different, I did freelance work, offering my skills and services to clients in need of web design, graphic design, or writing services. It wasn't easy at first. I had to put in a lot of time and effort, and I had my share of failures and setbacks. I made mistakes, I didn't see the results I wanted, and I doubted myself at times. But I didn't give up. I kept learning and experimenting, and eventually, I found something that worked for me. I discovered a way to make a full-time income online that I enjoyed and was good at. I found a niche that I was passionate about and that had a demand for my skills and services. I learned how to market myself and my business effectively, and I started to see the results I wanted. It took time and effort, but it was worth it. Making a full-time income online has given me the freedom and flexibility to work from anywhere, to set my own schedule, and to do what I love. It's not always easy, but it's definitely rewarding. Today, I am making a full-time income online and I couldn't be happier. It's not always easy, but it's definitely worth it. I am able to work from anywhere and have the freedom and flexibility to set my own schedule. I am doing what I love and making a living from it, and that's something that I am grateful for every day. But it's not just about the money. Making a full-time income online has also given me the opportunity to meet and connect with amazing people all over the world, to learn new things and grow as a person, and to make a positive impact in the world. It's been a journey full of ups and downs, but I wouldn't have it any other way. Making a full-time income online has changed my life in so many ways, and I am excited to see what the future holds. If you're thinking about making a full-time income online, here are a few things I learned along the way that might help you. Don't be afraid to try new things. You never know what will work until you try it. When I first started my journey to making a full-time income online, I didn't know what would work for me. I tried blogging, affiliate marketing, selling products on Etsy, and doing freelance work. And while not everything worked out, I learned something from each experience and it helped me figure out what did work for me. So, don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. You never know what will work until you give it a shot. And even if it doesn't work out, you'll learn something that you can apply to your next venture. Don't be afraid of failure either. It's a natural part of the process and it's how we learn and grow. Embrace it and use it as an opportunity to improve and move forward. So, don't be afraid to take risks and try new things. You never know what amazing opportunities and experiences may come your way. Be persistent and don't give up. It takes time and effort to succeed online, but it's worth it. When I first started my journey to making a full-time income online, I didn't see immediate results. It took time, effort, and a lot of hard work to get to where I am today. There were times when I wanted to give up, when I didn't see the progress I wanted, or when I faced setbacks and failures. But I didn't give up. I kept going and I persevered. I kept learning and improving, and I kept taking action. And eventually, my hard work paid off. It's not easy to succeed online, but it's definitely worth it. So, be persistent and don't give up. It takes time and effort to succeed online, but it's worth it. Don't let setbacks and failures hold you back. Keep moving forward and keep learning, and you'll get there. It won't happen overnight, but with dedication and hard work, anything is possible. Learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Every failure is an opportunity to learn and grow. When I first started my journey to making a full-time income online, I made a lot of mistakes. I didn't know everything and I had a lot to learn. But I didn't let my mistakes hold me back. I used them as an opportunity to learn and grow. I learned from my mistakes and I kept moving forward. I learned what worked and what didn't, and I used that knowledge to improve and do better. I didn't let my failures define me or discourage me. I used them as a stepping stone to success. So, learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Every failure is an opportunity to learn and grow. Don't let your mistakes hold you back. Use them as a way to improve and do better. Don't be afraid to fail either. It's a natural part of the process and it's how we learn and grow. Embrace it and use it as an opportunity to move forward. Find a mentor or a community of like-minded people who can support and motivate you. When I first started my journey to making a full-time income online, I felt a little bit lost and overwhelmed. I didn't know where to start or who to turn to for guidance and support. But then, I found a mentor who had been through it all and who was willing to share their knowledge and experience with me. Having a mentor who believed in me and who supported me made all the difference. They gave me guidance and direction, they answered my questions and offered advice, and they motivated me to keep going when I felt like giving up. If you don't have a mentor, you can also find a community of like-minded people who can support and motivate you. There are online groups and forums where you can connect with others who are on a similar journey as you. They can offer encouragement and advice, and they can be a great source of motivation and inspiration. So, find a mentor or a community of like-minded people who can support and motivate you. It will make all the difference in your journey to making a full-time income online. Have fun and enjoy the journey. Making a full-time income online can be rewarding and fulfilling, so enjoy the process. When I first started my journey to making a full-time income online, I was so focused on the end result that I forgot to have fun and enjoy the process. But then, I realized that the journey was just as important as the destination. I started to enjoy the challenges and the learning experiences, and I started to appreciate the small victories and the progress I was making. I found joy in doing what I loved and in helping others, and it made all the difference. So, have fun and enjoy the journey. Making a full-time income online can be rewarding and fulfilling, so enjoy the process. Don't get so caught up in the end result that you forget to enjoy the journey. Find joy and fulfillment in the work that you do, and it will make all the difference. I hope my journey inspires you to pursue your own dreams of making a full-time income online. With dedication and hard work, anything is possible. Thanks for watching.